Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Vlogmas day 4. Today we are at, and I have been waiting to decorate for Christmas. Let me tell you, this has been a struggle because I hosted Thanksgiving this year and my family came up, my sister, my parents, my godparents, and Drew, and I couldn't decorate because that wouldn't be right. You can't decorate if you're hosting Thanksgiving. So we're going Christmas decor shopping, and the fact that I've made it to December 3rd is kind of crazy, but this just means that we're gonna go all out this year. Let's go. I've got my little backpack. I haven't actually like taken this out, but I'm really excited. Let's go Christmas decor shopping. My mom's FaceTiming me right now and the dogs keep on farting in the car. All right, let's go. So I'm in a pickle because I know what I want my theme to be this year, but the tree skirt, I have no idea which one I want. Right now I'm really liking this one. It's kind of like a little yarn crochet sort of deal, or I kind of like this one too. Okay, this is the one we're going with. So actually, psych, I like this one a lot better. This is very, very classy and timeless. So we have these in Texas, at my house in Texas, and I'm obsessed with them. And they have it here, so we're gonna get them. Let's get, oh, there's only 2 of them. That's okay. I'm sorry, but how cute is this? To the cart. Okay, so we're getting some red ornaments because red, white, and green is my theme. But these have like the 3 different kinds. So there's like the sparkle, the matte, and then the shiny. We're gonna get 2 boxes of these. Also, everything here is 60% off. So we're kind of saving money, right? Yes, please. Low-key though, this bear looks like the one from Over the Hedge. Comment if you agree. Guess how much the total was? $67. I saved $95. I feel like St. Douglas. What a success. We are going to go to Michael's next, and then I don't know what after. I'm just like trying to hit up all the places with like the best discounts because Christmas shopping can get expensive, but I cannot believe that the total was only $67. The girl and I were playing guess what the price is, and she said it's gonna be under $100, and I thought it was gonna be like $89, but Hobby Lobby always surprises me. Okay, let's go. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I please get a white chocolate mocha warm with oat milk?
Yep, what size?
Let's do a small.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
have a good one. Yum. Oh, white chocolate mocha, baby. No misspellings. Hey everyone. Okay, so tomorrow is a huge day. It's gonna be a full hands-on day tomorrow, but I'm so excited. So let's do a little rundown preview of the schedule. Today is Vlogmas day 4, and we did shopping for Christmas decor. Tomorrow I'm thinking I just want to decorate the whole house except for my bedroom because on Vlogmas day 6, I think I want to dedicate that whole vlog, and then obviously film the rest, like some other vlog footage, but I really want to dedicate it to decorating my room and doing a whole room transformation because I've got a lot of big plans and things that I have been buying and saving over the past couple months for my room in the winter. I have been eating this amazing jerky. It's elk jerky. I went to the farmer's market here in Boise last Saturday, or maybe it was 2 Saturdays ago. I don't even remember, but I came across a stand where they were selling elk jerky and I was like, heck yeah, I want this. So I got it and it is amazing, literally so freaking good. Definitely would recommend it because it's much, much healthier than the other types of meat. Today's video is gonna be on the shorter end and I apologize for that, but I did spend like a lot of my day going Christmas shopping. I wanted to give a little rundown and life update of Thanksgiving and kind of what's been going on in my life. About like a week and a half ago, it was Thanksgiving. My family came up because I was in charge of hosting Thanksgiving this year and I got a bunch of questions asking if I was going to film it, if I was gonna release the video, and I decided not to film it because I haven't seen my sister in a while. She goes to the Air Force Academy and my parents drove up from Texas, so I really just wanted to spend quality time with them. And my godparents came and joined us as well, and Drew came a little bit. But my parents actually surprised my sister and I by bringing my 2 Yorkies, Leo and Lacey. I was very, very surprised. I was not expecting them to bring them, and it was just the best. I had such an amazing time with my family here. I'm trying to think of what other life updates I have. Oh, I'm literally drinking almond milk in my little dairy glass. Hold on, it's flipped. This is what it looks like. So cute. It's got a little cow on it and it says dairy. I'm very, very excited to be back home in Texas soon. I'm looking forward to it. But I'm also really excited to do so many festive things with my friends here because I feel like I haven't really shown y'all that much of my friends, and we've got a lot of really fun, exciting plans coming up before we all go home for college, obviously. Gosh, I literally love almond milk. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous for finals. That's coming up soon. But I do have a little bit more time to study and stuff. Well, you were supposed to and you never did, believe it or not. What is he studying? He never answered me.
Business. I know, she's business. She's business. Actually, hey, hey, the bottom line is... That was her thesis. Shut up. That Boise isn't even a state today. I was like, that's funny. You can laugh.
Whatever.
Hey, wait, what's the score? Did A&M or Boise win? Also, we're playing Boise State in rugby today, but I'm not there because the rugby team.
Damn, stay salty. Am I gonna see you this Christmas?
What do you think?
You better make time for me.
Hey, there's always time for you, baby girl, okay? I'm not gonna be singing the season this year, and I'm not with you by my side.
Crackling wood all season, decorating